So good morning. I'm just down at the boat today. It's beautiful, the sun is shining. It is a little bit windy, but that's a good thing. I'm just going to go and check out a new Anchorage today, so I'm going to start the engine and motor down there because we're against the wind most of the way, and then when we kind of turn off the wind I'll get the sails up, and I'll go probably about 6 nautical miles down to this new Anchorage. It was recommended by a friend, so that's today's plans. So just going to get the boat ready and we'll get going. So at the minute we've got the full head sail out. We're close haul. It's blowing about 12 knots with the tide is with us, so the tide's against the wind, so there is a bit of chop. And we're doing between 4.5 and 5 knots with just a head sail. So I've come down the loch into the wind. It's opened up now, the loch's opened up a bit, and I've been able to tack to the starboard. I've got a full head sail out. The wind has picked up a bit, so it's got quite choppy. So I have a feeling I might get a little wet.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
I've laid out here just how much chain I'm going to need for the depth, plus a little bit more, and just getting the windlass ready to drop. So I've actually came to a different anchorage. What had happened was the anchorage that was recommended by a friend, I had checked it out and it seemed okay on the maps and things like that, but when I had went down to it, there was no real shelter from the southerly wind, and there's a yacht club nearby, so it was quite busy with boats going in and out of their moorings and the pontoons and stuff there, so I just didn't think it was a good place to anchor today anyway, with just where the wind was coming from, and it was quite exposed, so it was a lot of chop from the waves, so I thought I would turn and head back up north to another anchorage that I know that would have had better shelter. But coming up this way, I've actually came across a different anchorage that I haven't used before, which is a lot more sheltered and is a lot better, frankly. So the wind is coming from this direction here, so I'm getting a little bit of shelter from the waves and the wind from this island here. It's a shallow enough area, so I didn't have to lay out too much chain. There's a few other boats kind of on mooring balls and moorings there. Small pontoon over there, and yeah, it's a nice spot so far. So I have just put on some water to boil, and I'm gonna have some tea and some lunch. Well, that's me fed and watered, so I'm gonna head back now. So the wind will be coming behind us, as well with the tide. So they're both coming from the south, and I'm going north, so they'll be with me. So I'm gonna set the sail up, the main sail up, so it's ready to go once we motor off the anchorage. I'll turn to port, and then the wind will be on our starboard beam and take us out of the little area where we've anchored, and then we'll turn to port again, and that'll take us north. So we should have a nice smooth sail back up. The wind's probably died down a little bit, maybe 8 knots, 8 to 10 knots. That's me back on the mooring now. I lost the little mountain for the GoPro to kind of record me coming in and hooking the hand buoy to pull up the mooring ball and strap to secure the boat. but it wasn't pretty. The wind has really picked up, and I had to kind of manoeuvre around this way to come into the wind onto the mooring ball. So I was close to this boat and the wind was blowing me on towards that. I was trying to avoid the dory here and catch the ball. I ended up dropping the boat hook into the water, had to circle round again, come up alongside. I thank God it floated, and I hang out the stern of the boat here and grab it, come back round again, and eventually hook the hand buoy to secure the boat to the mooring. So it was a bit of a cluster, to be honest, and I'm glad that's it done. So I'm just tidying up the boat now, clearing some of the lines away, tidying the cabin, and then that'll be me. It's been a good day sailing. It's not easy. It's not easy solo sailing. It could be made easier if I had a decent, maybe tiller pilot. This is one that came with my boat, and since I've had it, it's worked intermittently. Today it hasn't worked at all. It's just, I don't know whether, I'm pretty sure it's that's duff and not the electrical connection. But you know, trying to hold course into the wind to get the mainsail up on your own with, you know, nobody's holding course, it's difficult. The boat just wants to kind of go one way or the other. So in the absence of a tiller pilot or someone else on the boat, it's difficult. Solo sailing is good, I really enjoy it, but it isn't easy. But I'm sure as time goes on, I'll pick up little ways of doing things to make it easier for myself. On that, if you guys have any tips for solo sailors that don't have a tiller pilot, or you know, other kind of Gucci equipment that would make things easier, if you have any hints or tips, then please leave a comment and let me know. I'd really appreciate that. And if you've liked what you've seen, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you'd like to be notified about any of the videos that I put up, then there's a little bell you can click on, and it'll notify you if I post any more videos on YouTube, which I intend to do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.